Hello and welcome. In this video we are going to learn about return values. So we will define a function that will take the first name and last name as inputs, and it will return the full name of the person as output. Alright, so I'm just concatenating these two, the string concatenation. So let me just run this code. Alright, now what I am doing here is I'm calling the function, but I want to store the name in a variable, right? So I'm giving the first name and last name as arguments to this function, but I want to store the full name in the variable so I can use it later, right? So that's why I have defined here a variable name, and then I'm calling the function, right, name, and the input I'm giving it as first name Donald, second name Trump. So let me just run this code. So this will give me an output as Donald Trump because I have written here print full name. So now let us print the variable name. Now let me check the name of the variable, type of the variable. This is none type, right? So this basically means that this function value return whatever output I wanted is not stored in this, right? So in order to do that, we use the return statement at the end of the function, so I can use the result outside the function, right? So let's modify the function a bit. So instead of printing the full name, I'm telling the function return full name. So I'm just using the return keyword here, right? So let me just run this code now, and now let us store the value, right, in the function, in the variable name. Okay, so this time it ran the code, but it did not print because I skipped the print here, and instead of print I used return. So let us now print the variable. So this will print name Donald Trump, right? So let me check the type of the variable name. So this is a string type, right? So this is the use of return statement. So I can use the whatever calculations or a recipe the function has, and the results can be used outside the function, right? So that is why I need to use the return statement, right? So till now we have not used return in any of the functions, right? So because we are understanding the basics, so this is the purpose of return statement, right? All right, so now using this variable name, I can just print my name is name, something like this, right? So this is the example of using the return statement. All right, so return statement will always give you an output which you can use later. All right, so this is with return statement. Thank you.